Wake up! Stop sleeping. People are really sleeping on this pair of sneakers, and I have an idea why, but let's talk about it. It's giveaway time. I'm giving away a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds to one of you guys watching. Make sure you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me a screenshot, take a picture, send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. We're about to hit 66,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Let's hit 70,000 subscribers very soon, so make sure you guys enter in the free Lost and Found giveaway and go back on the channel, watch some content. I did drop my sneaker collection video, and I want you guys to really watch that video, so please go back on my channel, watch my sneaker collection video. It's a banger. Now, I need to tell you guys about this pair of sneakers. Where did I get these sneakers from? Sole Steals. Sole Steals was doing a $100 mystery box, a Travis Scott mystery box. And inside of this mystery box, you are guaranteed one pair of Travis Scott sneakers for $100. That alone is a steal, right? Think of a Travis Scott sneaker that you can buy for $100. That's crazy, right? And it's a pair of Nikes at that. Of course, what else would it be? A pair of Nike shoes, Travis Scott's, for $100, and you had a chance of getting some grails in there as well. Some people were getting Travis Scott reverse mochas, fragments, a bunch of other Travis Scott sneakers that go for a lot of bread. I only received one pair of shoes, so it has to be that guaranteed pair, which I'm still okay with. I think they're slept on, and this is a pair I definitely wanted to get in hand and show you guys. This is a Travis Scott Nike sneaker that you can buy for around $100 under retail. Unheard of, right? You wouldn't think that would be possible for a Travis Scott. Well, it is, and people are sleeping. People are sleeping, and in my opinion, definitely need to wake up. I'm not sure which colorway this is gonna be. We were guaranteed one of two colors, guaranteed in every order. So here we have the box. We got the Cactus Corporation box, and the box is in excellent condition. Size 11, I did get my size. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them, wear them. We'll see. I'm gonna see right now and see if it's something I would actually put on feet. But the box is definitely interesting. There are some other Travis Scott sneakers that do come in this box, so I'm very interested to see which color they sent me. Once again, I don't know. This is a mystery box for $100 from Sole Steals. So let's see what they sent me here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Please be good. Please be the good pair. Yes. It's the better of the two, I will say that. I'm happy it's the chocolate pair and not the mint pair. I wasn't crazy about the mint colorway, but right here we have the Travis Scott Air Max Trainer 1. The Air Trainer 1, there's no Max in this, there's no Air Max, but the Air Trainer 1 Travis Scott in the chocolate brown colorway. And for $100, I'll take it. They're brand new. Size 11, my size, for $100. Yeah, I think that's a really good deal. They do come with this shroud, or what you guys want to call this. I'm taking this right off. I do not like this look at all. That is much, much better. So here's what it looks like with it on. Not a fan, and much better with it off. Much better. The one thing I will say is I'm not a huge fan of the buttons going on there. I know that's the point of the shroud, and you gotta put it back on if you want to, but the buttons there just kind of throw it off to me. And the zipper on the back, can you put anything in here? No. You can't even open the zipper. It doesn't even open. Okay, that's kind of strange to me, because on the Travis Scott, at least the Jordan 1 highs, you get to like open it and you could put something in there if you wanted to. These, the zipper's just there, I guess, just for the look. Cactus Corporation there on the back in pink. I must say, in my opinion, people are sleeping heavily. I understand why. It's not a hype model by any means whatsoever. It's an Air Trainer 1. I know most people don't really care for these too heavily, but I do think that if you want a Travis Scott sneaker, this is a really good buy. You can get them on apps for even under retail. They're not gonna charge you retail. It might be around retail with all the fees and everything, but if you can find them locally for less than retail and you like them, I do recommend them. Honestly, I do. I do recommend them. For a Travis Scott shoe, for under retail, it's kind of like a no-brainer. If you want Travis, if you want something Travis, and do not want to go spend crazy money, because if you guys look at the Jordans, they're all crazy expensive. So if you do want a Nike Travis Scott shoe that where you do still get the backward swoosh, a brown colorway, it's not bad. They're not bad. People are sleeping, I will say that. I understand why. And now having them in hand, I get it. I get it. It's certainly not for the general masses, I will say. I don't think everybody is going to be a fan of these. It's definitely more of an acquired taste, in my opinion, but I'm here for it. I think they are clean. Would I wear them? Maybe. I feel like I might put these on feet, but I don't know if it's something I would keep for a long time in my personal collection. But nonetheless, for $100 that I got them for, I'll take it. Sure. Travis Scott's for $100. Yes, please. They do come with some extra laces. This shroud thing, man, I just cannot get over this cover. I have to take this off. I cannot stand this. I don't like this at all. But there we go. Much better. Much, much better. Let me know your thoughts about these down below in the comments. I was hoping for one of those grails from Soul Steals for the mystery box for $100, but it is what it is. Hey, I got what I was guaranteed to get, and it's still a good mystery box for only $100. For these, Travis Scott's, I'll take it. Can't go wrong. This video is not sponsored by Soul Steals. I just want to make that very clear. I believe the mystery boxes are sold out anyway, so I'm pretty sure you guys can't even go get one if you wanted to. But I definitely recommend checking these out on the resale market, which is under retail. You know, you can't go wrong with a Travis Scott shoe, in my opinion. For under retail, it's not something we see very often at all, to say the least. When you really think about it, all these Travis sneakers are up there in price. Let me know what you guys think about the Travis Scott Air Trainer 1s. They are a little out there, unique. The browns, all different sorts of browns, different materials. It's cool. You got the strap as well, Cactus Corporation. Maybe we'll see more Cactus Corporation, Travis Scott branding going on in the future, in the near future. We'll see. Leave a comment. Let me know. Would you take a $100 Travis Scott sneaker? It's still a Travis Scott shoe with Nike for $100. It's not a lot of money, and it's still a Travis with Nike with the hype. I think it's a win. I think people are sleeping, and yeah, if you don't want to go spend that crazy money, wake up, stop sleeping, and go cop some Travis Scott Air Trainer 1s for a really good price under retail. Can't beat it, guys. You can't beat it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about these. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that red button right now. Please make sure you guys subscribe. I'm giving away a pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s at the end of this month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.